So,
Yes.
so can you tell where are we starting with today?
Pardon, what you're saying?
So where are we starting from today?
When we are starting what?
No, where are we starting from in the textbook?
I can't hear you properly.
Sir, she's asking from where are we starting?
From textbook, first sum, page number in my book it is 201. First sum, just see, is it the same numerical? The diagram in the figure shows a cell of EMF 2 volt. Just check, this diagram is given in your book.
Yes, sir.
RE, this is given.
Yes.
Yes, so this sum we are trying now. All are very easy, you have to just be able to read it properly. So here there is one voltmeter connected. This whole assembly is called actually cell. This is resistance, capital R, plucky K, ammeter to record current. Now I'm reading the sum. The diagram shows a cell of EMF 2 volt and internal resistance 1 ohm connected to external resistance 4 ohm. The ammeter A measures current in the circuit. Voltmeter V measures terminal voltage across cell. What will be the reading of voltmeter ammeter when key is open and when key is closed? When key is open. First case, when key is open. See, when key is open, that means the circuit is broken. Ammeter cannot read anything because no current is flowing. So ammeter reading will be 0. But when no current flows, then potential across the end is the battery ka EMF. So voltmeter reading will be equal to EMF, which is equals to 2 volt. Now when key is closed, then current will flow through the circuit, and current formula is E upon R plus R. E is 2, small r is 1, capital R is 4. So this will become 2 upon 5, which is equals to 0.4 ampere. So ammeter reading equals to 0.4 ampere when key is closed. Now potential difference. Potential difference is the voltage across external resistance, or voltmeter reading V is EMF minus I into small r. EMF E minus I into small r. E is 2, I we got 0.4 into small r 1, that is 2 minus 0.5 equal to 1.6 volt. Understood this formula? So this is battery. It will take its own voltage IR. So E minus IR is voltage across this terminal when battery is supplying the current. Kushi followed?
Yes, sir.
एकदम simple है. Total current is total voltage. Here total voltage means this battery, and total resistance is this R and R in series. Series then we add. And then voltmeter reading is whatever this resistance will eat up, balance is voltmeter reading. So current is I is flowing here, so it will take voltage IR. So total 2 minus IR is terminal voltage called as voltmeter reading. Do slowly, you will understand, don't worry. Ninth onward, PPS Chandivali exam is starting.
Yes, sir. You can hear me now, right?
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
Ninth means it is, I think, Monday.
Yes, sir. Monday.
So coming Tuesday, you all will not be able to attend the lecture. Huh?
No, sir.
Okay, I will do revision of current electricity because other students have missed for them. Complete. Once you complete, tell me.
Done, sir.
Okay. Second diagram. Okay, can I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Second one, very good sum. A battery of 3 volt supplies current through a circuit in which resistance can be changed. High resistance voltmeter is connected across battery. When current of 1.5 ampere, the voltmeter reads 2.7. Find the internal resistance of the battery. Again, I'm reading and drawing the diagram. A battery of 3 volt, 3 volt supplies current through a circuit in which resistance can be changed. Supplies current through the circuit, resistance can be changed. So I put arrow. That means variable resistance. This is internal resistance, which we have to calculate. A high resistance voltmeter is connected across the battery. Across this battery, very high resistance voltmeter is connected. Voltmeter is connected. When current of 1.5 ampere flows, then voltmeter reads 2.7 volt. When diagram is not required in the exam, huh? When battery supplies current, then voltmeter reading is battery voltage minus I into R. Battery voltage is 3, I is 1.5, small r we have to calculate, V is given 2.7. So 1.5 R is 3 minus 2.7. 1.5 R is 0.3. Therefore, small r is 0.3 upon 1.5. 0.3 into 5 is 1.5. So R is 0.2. So this word is important. When battery supplies current, outside voltage called as terminal voltage is battery ka voltage minus I into internal resistance. Solve now. Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third one. A cell of EMF 1.8 volt. A cell of EMF 1.8 volt and internal resistance 2 ohm is connected in series with ammeter of 0.7 ohm resistance and a resistor of 4.5 ohm as shown in the figure. Current always starts from positive and goes towards negative. What should be reading of ammeter? So this current flowing through ammeter is ammeter reading. What is formula for current? Total voltage upon total resistance. Total voltage means battery. Total resistance is R plus resistance of ammeter plus external resistance. So E is 1.8 upon 2 plus 0.7 plus 4.5 ohms. So this is 1.8, 4.7 plus 5, 5.2. 5.2 plus 2 is 7.2. 18 into 4, 72.25 ampere. So ammeter reading equals to 0.25 ampere. What is potential difference across cell? Potential difference across cell denoted by V is E minus I into internal resistance. So E is 1.8, I we got 0.25, internal 2, so 1.8 minus 0.5, that is equals to 1.3 volt. Now draw and completed this also. Completed? Can I start with fourth?
Yes, sir.
A battery of EMF 15 volt, internal resistance 3 ohm is connected to two resistors of 3 and 6 in series. Then find current and potential difference between terminal. I am reading the sum and drawing the diagram to make the things more clear. A battery of EMF 15 volt and internal resistance of 3 ohm is connected to two resistors 3 and 6 ohm. They are in series. So R1 3 ohm, R2 6 ohm are in series. Series means one after another. Battery is connected to this. Find current through the battery. Again, current is total voltage upon total resistance. Since they are in series, it will be R plus R1 plus R2. Parallel, then 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So E is 15, small r is 3, R1 3, R2 6. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 6 12. 5 into 3, 3 into 5 is 15, 3 into 4 12. 1.25 ampere will be the current through the battery. Potential difference. Potential difference.
So,
Yes.
so which sum is this?
Pardon.
So which sum is this?
What's the?
So this is not there,
It's not there in the book.
this question.
This is question number 4. That is not given in your book.
No,
No,
sir, it is
sir.
different.
So is it given next wala a cell of EMF E and internal
Yes.
resistance small r?
Yes, sir, that is
Yes,
question
sir.
number 5.
What is that number?
Question number 5.
And fourth, what they have given?
The music system draws a current of 400 milliampere.
Okay, do one thing. This I'm writing extra and that fourth we'll do at the end. Okay. Or after this you tell me, I will write on the screen. Are you getting me what I said? In my book, this question is given. So you write that as extra and then you dictate, I will do that sum on the screen. So potential difference between the terminals of battery V is E minus I into R. 15 minus 1.25 into 3. So this is 15 minus 3.75, which will become 11.25 volt. Please copy this sum with diagram so that it becomes easy to understand. We want current through battery and terminal voltage across battery. Completed? Completed? Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, one of you read that sum which you were telling in your book. It is given. Read it. Yeah, just read.
The music system draws a current of 400 milliampere when connected to a 12-volt battery.
Okay, one second. A music system draws current of how many ampere?
400 milliampere
Okay. When connected?
when connected to a 12-volt of battery.
Okay, further.
What is the resistance of the music system?
Bus.
The music system, if left playing for several hours and finally the battery voltage drops and the music system stops playing when the current drops to 320 milliampere, at what battery voltage does the music system stop playing?
At what battery voltage it stops playing? When it stops playing, then current is 20 milliampere. Correct? Na?
No, sir, 320 milliampere.
320. Okay. 320 milliampere. Correct. Current flowing. Battery का internal resistance is given. This battery's internal resistance is given. Hello? Battery's internal resistance is given. Anything?
No, sir.
अच्छा. फिर से एक बार रीड करेंगे क्या?
Okay, sir. The music system draws a current of 400 milliampere.
आराम से. Music system draws current of 400 milliampere. हाँ.
When connected to a 12-volt battery.
When connected to 12-volt battery. Okay.
What is the resistance of the music system?
What is resistance of music system?
Part B, the music system is left playing for several hours and finally the battery voltage drops and the music system stops playing.
Battery voltage drops, music system stops playing. Music system stops playing. Okay.
When the current drops to 320 milliampere.
Stops playing when current drops to 320 milliampere.
At what battery voltage does the music system stops playing?
At what battery voltage it stops? Okay. It stops playing. Okay. See, if this is suppose music system, the music system draws current, means it pulls the current of 400 milliampere from the battery of 12 volt. What is resistance of the music system. This is first part. Okay, what is resistance of music system? Then they are saying it is kept working for several hours and battery voltage several hours, and the music system stop playing when it draws current of 32 milliampere. What is resistance of music system? It stops playing when current is 320 milliampere. Then what is battery voltage? What is battery voltage? This is the question. No? Hello?
Yes, sir. At what battery voltage does the music system stops playing?
Okay. So in first case, if this has some resistance R, same music system will have same resistance every time. So I can say I is E by R because there is no internal voltage given. So 400 milli is 400 into 10 raised to minus 3. EMF is 12 upon R. So it is 12 upon 4 into 10 raised to minus 1. So is it given 30 ohm is the resistance of the music system?
Yes, sir.
So copy first part. Just draw a diagram to understand. Music system is like resistance, which we don't know. So when it is drawing the current of 400 milliampere, which I converted into ampere, what is the resistance? Can I do second part now?
Yes, sir.
See, when music system is not changed, then resistance is constant. So new current I2 is new battery voltage, but same resistance. So E2 will be I2 by into R. This is 320 milli into 10 raised to minus 3. R is 30. 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 9. 20 into 10 raised to minus 6. So 9.6 volt. Okay. Is it 9.6 volt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Understood the concept what it was?
So done.
Done, no? Now, fifth one. This is slightly tricky, so very, very important. A cell of EMF epsilon, this is read as epsilon, but day-to-day language may we read E only, and internal resistance small r sends current of 1.0 ampere when it is connected to external resistance of 1.9 ohm, but it sends current of 0.5 ampere when it is connected to resistance of 3.9 ohm. Find the value of epsilon, that means EMF, and internal resistance R. When we have resistance of 1.9 ohm, current is 1. When resistance is 3.9, then current is 0.5. So according to, first we'll write, since E is always I into R plus I into small r. This is V, capital V, and this is small v. So according to first condition, epsilon is EMF, I is 1, R is 1.9, 1 into R. So this is nothing but 1.9 plus R, equation 1. According to second condition, epsilon equals to 0.5 into 3.9 plus 0.5 into R. 0.5 into 3.9 will become 9 5s are 45, 5 9s are 45, 5 into 3, 18, and 4, 5 3s are 15, and 4 will be 19. That means 1.95 plus 0.5 R, equation 2. From 1 and 2 we get, left hand side is same, epsilon epsilon. So I can write 1.9 plus R is 1.95 plus 0.5 R. Therefore we can say R minus 0.5 R is 1.95 minus 1.9. So this will become 0.5 R is equals to 0.05. Therefore, R is 0.05 upon 0.5. I am removing decimal from numerator and writing 100 in denominator. Denominator ka 0.5, then about 10. 5 cancel. Equals to 0.1 ohm. Till this you all followed? Internal resistance 0.1 ohm. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
The total battery will give voltage to this, which is I here, I capital R, to this, I into small r. Then two equation, bus. Just copy till this, then I'm substituting R ka value in 1 to get E, which is clearly visible, 2 aega. 1.9 plus 0.1 is 2. Draw both the diagram properly and then write so that you understand after 10 days also. Yes, completed. Hello, completed.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Next sum, is it given? Two resistor having resistance 4 and 6 are connected in parallel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one resistance is 4 ohm and the resistance is 6 ohm. They are connected in parallel. Find equivalent. When two resistance are in parallel, directly you can write formula product upon sum. by using that 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. See, actually speaking, 1 upon Rp is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. So I can write R2 plus R1 upon R1 R2. So Rp is product upon sum. So directly I am writing product upon sum. 4 into 6 upon 4 plus 6. 24 upon 10. 2.4 ohms over. Completed this also? Sixth,
Yes, sir.
seventh. 4 resistors, each of 2 ohm are connected in parallel. What is effective resistance? Same question. So
Yes, sir.
that means R1, R2, R3, R4 are 4 resistance, each of 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm. We want equivalent in parallel. So 1 upon R in parallel is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus 1 upon R4. So 1 upon Rp will be equals to 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. So 1 upon Rp will become 1 plus 1 plus 1 4 by 2. So Rp will become 2 by 4. Reciprocal I took 1 by 2. Final answer 0.50. 0.50. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one, come to exam. You have 3 register. Same sum? You have 3 register?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have 3 register, 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 5 ohm. How will you join them so that total resistance is less than 1? Our total is less than 1. Draw diagram and find out the total resistance. See, always remember in parallel, effective is lesser than least. So if lesser is 2, then least will be lesser than these, less than 2 also. So we are checking if they are connected in parallel. Parallel means one below another. Is the effective lesser than least or not? That means whether we are getting result as less than 2 ohm. So since 1 upon Rp is 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. So 1 upon Rp is 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5. LCM of 532 will be 30 because all are prime number. So 15 plus 10 plus 6. So we get 1 upon Rp equals to 25 plus 6, 31 upon 30. So Rp is 30 upon 31. Now clearly you can see this is less than 1. Is it less than 1? Denominator is greater means less than 1. So this is our answer. Now its value. Divide 30 upon 31 in rough and check how much you are getting. I'm doing with Kelsey. 30 divided by 31, 0.9677. 0.9677, that you can round off as 0.97. This is the required answer. So they must be connected in parallel so that answer will be less than 1, which is less than 2, and that value will come how much? It is 0.97. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 9 1. Three resistors. Important. Three resistors. Two, each of 2 ohm. R1, R2, R3. Each of 2 ohm. Are connected together so that total resistance should become 3 ohm. Show the connection and check it by calculation. Now clearly, can you see 2, 2, 2? If I add in series, will it be 3? It will become 6 now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
All 2, 2, 2 in parallel will become 2 by 3. So again, it will not be 3. So with your wisdom, can you think 2 and 2 का parallel कितना होता है? Half ना? 2 resistance equal resistance are in parallel. Are in parallel. So this effect will become R by 2. Let me explain how. 1 upon R in parallel is 1 upon R plus 1 upon R. So it will become 2 by R. Therefore, R parallel will become R by 2. So whenever you have two equal resistance in parallel, result becomes half of that. So what will be 10 10 का parallel का result? 5.
Yes, sir.
So 2 2 का parallel will become how much? 1. So much time. 1. 4 4 का parallel?
2.
2. So I have got 3 resistance 2 2 2. So if these two are in parallel, it will become 1. 1 को series साथ connect किया 2 का, so it will become 3 ना. So they are telling show the connection and check it whether result will be 3. So logically I got 2 2 in parallel, result will be 1. 1 and 2 in series, result will become 3. So I'm showing that circuit diagram and then checking whether result will be 3 or not. Orally I checked 2 2 parallel 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. So suppose you have this one resistance, this resistance in series with the third one. This is suppose R1, this is R2, and this is R3. Check whether equivalent is 3 or not. So here R parallel is product upon sum. So 4 upon 4, 1 ohm. R in series is R parallel plus R3, which is 1 plus 2 equal to 3 ohms. Done. You all have followed the meaning of this sum? You have to show the combination and then you have to check whether it is coming true. So 2 are in parallel and then connected in series with the third one. Yes, Juhi, Tanya, followed?
Yes, sir.
Right, then draw diagram, complete till last one. Completed.
Yes, sir, completed.
Yes, next on the calculate equivalent resistance between point A and B. One resistance, two resistance. This is another resistance. B, A, resistance are 2 ohm, 2 ohm, all are 2 ohm, 2 ohm. I'm giving the name R1, R2, R3, R4. You want equivalent between A and B. That means these two are in series, correct? Na? These two. So I'm calling them as RS, which is result of R1, R2 in series. These two are in parallel. I'm calling it as RP. Now this is first connection in series. Now can you tell me this RS1 and RP, are they in series or in parallel?
Series.
Series. So my equivalent will be RS2. Now since I have drawn the diagram, it becomes very easy for me to check. So RS1 is nothing but R1 plus R2, which is 2 plus 2, that is 4 ohm, and Rp equals to product upon sum. Product is 2 into 2, sum is 2 plus 2, that means 4 upon 4 equal to 1 ohm, and last part Rs2 is Rs1 plus Rp, which is 4 plus 1 equal to 5 ohm. So final answer, equivalent resistance between A and B is 5 ohm. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, please copy. Push, you followed?
Yes.
Yeah. Equivalent resistance between A and B is 5 ohm. Completed? Hello, completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the next sum. A combination consists of three resistance in series. Same, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. They're saying a combination consists of three resistance in series. So one resistance, two resistance, three resistance in series. Four similar sets are connected in parallel. Four similar sets. 1, 2, 3. So one set, two set. Four similar sets are connected in parallel. If the resistance of each is 2, all are 2, 2, 2, then find the resistance of combination. That means equivalent resistance we want. See, this is R1, R2, R3, suppose I give the name. So can I say RS1 will be R1 plus R2 plus R3, which will be 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is nothing but 6 ohm. And then such 6 ohm are total 4 set and connected in parallel. So 6, 6, 6. So after drawing this diagram, you can get RS1. Then I can say RS1 is RS2, is RS3, is RS4. All are 6 ohm. Then R1 upon R parallel is 1 upon RS1 plus 1 upon RS2, 1 upon RS3, 1 upon RS4. That will become 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. So 1 upon RSP is 4 by 6. Therefore, RSP will become 6 by 4, which is 3 by 2. RP, RP, 1.5 ohm. So equivalent resistance is 1.5 ohm. Okay, or you want more explanation? Three resistance are in series, such we have got 1, 2, 3, 4. So one is 6, then all are 6, 6, 6, 6 connected in parallel. So effective is 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6. That is 4 upon 6. Take reciprocal, 6 by 4, 3 by 2, 1.5 ohm. Solve.
sir.
Yeah. Completed?
Yeah.
Next one can is it is circuit diagram. In the circuit shown, calculate value of x so that equivalent between A and B is 4. Equivalent between A and B is 4. Four ohm, 8 ohm, X ohm, 5 ohm. If equivalent is 4, we have to find what is X. So first, 4 and 8 are in parallel, a series. 4 and 8 will become 12, and this will become X plus 5. Now 1 upon R equivalent is 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon X plus 5. What should be the value of X so that we get answer as 4 between A and B? So 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon X plus 5. This is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 12 is 1 upon X plus 5. So LCM is 12. 3 minus 1, 1 upon X plus 5. This will be 2 upon 12 equals to 1 upon X plus 5. 2 6 are 12. So X plus 5 equals to 6. 6 minus 5, X equals to 1. Answer 1. Please copy now. As root of b1 square minus b2 square upon x2 square minus x1 square, and from omega time period. because force into velocity will be the maximum. Velocity will be maximum when it is at v. So इसमें force वाला दिया. Velocity is maximum at the v. Yes, you all have completed.
Yes, sir.
One more, then we'll stop. Calculate effective resistance between points A and B. These resistors are connected, find equivalent between A and B. So if I call this as R1, this as R2, this as R3, this as R4, this as R5, R6, R7, R8 and R9. Then this R1, R2, R3, you can see they are in series. So I can call them as RS1. And this is R4. With R9, R8 connected here. 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 1 ohm. And below these three are also in series. RS2. Now this 3 will become in parallel. So R8, R parallel, R9 between A and B. Now altogether it will be a single RS. So I'm calling this as RS3. Just draw this diagram. Then from this diagram we'll write the solution. RS1 is R1 plus R2 plus R3, which is 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 3 ohm, and RS2 is R5 plus R6 plus R7, which is 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6 ohm. One upon Rp is 1 upon Rs1 plus 1 upon R4 plus 1 upon Rs2. So 1 upon Rp is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon R4 was 2, 1 upon 2 plus 1 by 6. 1 upon Rp is 6, 2 plus 3 plus 1, 6 by 6. Therefore Rp equal to 1 ohm. Then Rs3 will be R8 plus Rp plus R9. R8 is 1, Rp we got 1, R9 is 1, total 3. This is the answer 3. Completed full? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today. Best of luck for your exam. 11th to 18th there is holiday. Rest all lectures are as usual. 11th to 18th. Only this is our Diwali vacation for a week.
But our prelims will be on till 1st December.
So whenever you get time, because as I told, current only I will revise. And whatever I am doing in the lecture, I will record and that I will post. Is it okay? So that's all for today.